up, everybody? And John, hi, good morning, John.
Hey, what's up?
John's behind the camera. Guys, listen, today's video is a little different. Today, a lot of you guys want to know more like what's going on with the build. How do we do it? How do we build the bumper? What are the step-by-step steps, procedures that it takes to build whatever that object is? So guys, listen, today we're building a one-off, one-of-one, completely custom bed for the Warrior Rising truck. So we're gonna show you the step-by-step processes on how this bed has come to life. So stay tuned because you're not gonna wanna miss this. Probably asking yourself what I'm out here doing. Practice. I'm practicing. Feeling pretty good about the whole NFL season. Oh, right in the face. Headshot. Lost his hat. What I was getting at is feeling pretty good about the NFL season. In fact, feeling so good about it, PrizePicks jumped in to sponsor today's video. I'm a little out of breath. I'm not an athlete by any means. Nor am I a very good throw. But listen guys, PrizePicks is the real deal. See, what PrizePicks is it's a real money, daily fantasy PrizePicks game. Oh, zingo! All right guys, one other thing I like about PrizePicks is it's not just for NFL, it's literally soccer, hockey, tennis,
College basketball,
college football, college baseball. Literally the list goes on. So if you're not like an NFL guy and you're a basketball guy, well, do I have a deal for you. Zinger! Dang it. I'm not even real of a football guy. I played soccer growing up. I wasn't real big into football, but when it comes to PrizePicks, it gives me a reason to watch football. And last night, I may have put a little bit of more or less. I had to say the bank account grew a little bit, so I felt pretty good about it. PrizePicks is so simple. I was able to go on before the game in the app. I picked less and more on a few specific players, and next thing you know, my entries paid out pretty well. So very excited about that. In fact, watch this right in the noggin. Yeah, it's still not any better. Right now, they're offering Apple Pay. So simple. Right now, use Sparks at checkout. They will match up to $100. So if you put in 25, they put in 25. Put in 50, they put in 50. It's very simple. Go to PrizePicks, use promo code SPARKS to get your first deposit matched up to $100. So listen guys, it's simple, it's easy, and like I said, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to know how to use the app.
We have all the parts cut out for the bed. This is our last piece, this is the floor. We're using a diamond plate for it. And then we can start assembling everything from the base, and then we're gonna start bending the sides, and then we'll be done. this has to be like perfect. So these are the brackets for the sideboards. We're gonna have literally the sideboards running along these holes right here. These are the bolting holes, and then this part I gotta bend it down. But right now I'm finishing this band, and I'm making sure that this fits into this rail right there, because this is the rail that I'm gonna be using to hold the sideboards. So I want to make sure they slide in and out easily. First I wanted to make sure it fit, so I made my first cut as a sample of this part only, and I tried to put it in. It didn't go in, so I had to be back and forth making one little piece to test it and making sure it was sliding in and out properly. So now that I finally got the right dimensions and I finally got the machine to work with me, it's coming out just perfectly. Alright, after yesterday finishing with all of this, now we have left the biggest pieces, which is the side of the bed right here. And then we have the tailgate, the exhaust cover, fenders, and everything's very long. So I'm gonna need some help from Yair to help me bend these long pieces.
Angle-wise, what are we looking for in this one?
60 degrees from this plane to this plane right here. 60. So what you see right here, this is everything that it takes to build a military bed. We have a few more steps to finish this up. My next step right now is to weld these bands that I did here. After that, Pedro is gonna start putting the frame together with the floor, and then from there we can start with the sides, the front of the bed, and it just goes and goes until we're done. today is another day and we're gonna start welding these pieces. I just gotta fill up these gaps right here and on the inside as well, and then so I can grind them down so they're nice and smooth like these other edges on the piece. So let's get to it. This is what I'm looking for, just nice round corners, just like the rest of the piece. Assembling what makes the fender. This is just a inner fender piece that is gonna hold the floor. So the floor is gonna sit right on this plate and it's gonna give us the right level, the right height. And then from there we can determine the height of the sides. But we'll see how this goes. It's a one of one, so we have to figure out how to put this thing together the best way and so it follows the right dimensions.
amigo. Here. Come here. ¿Qué pasa? No, we're finishing the video. Just come right here. Stand right there. Do whatever you want to do. There you go. All right, guys, there you have it. Please comment below. Did you like John's style or not? Did you like seeing how this was manufactured? Did you like seeing the welding expertise of this man, Pedro, right here? I love it. This is only one of the custom aspects that's going on the Warrior Rising truck. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. We got the bumper, we got the stacks, we have the paint job, the interior, everything. This is only one piece. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned, comment below, like, subscribe, do whatever you need to. What's going on with this?
Listen, the video's great. It's an important video. However, the more importantly is this giveaway ends tonight. Like as in, if I check my watch here, there's only a few hours left. Especially if we release this later in the evening, you're pretty much boned.
You gotta go now. 20 times entries, Sparks 20 for 20% off. There's even a bundle on there that has 40% off. Listen, if you're not going to get entered right now, you're losing any chance and opportunity of owning this awesome truck. So why are you still here? Why are they still here?
It's unbelievable you guys haven't like clicked the link yet.
Why haven't they clicked it?
Actually, there can't be a link.
There's not a link.
It's unbelievable you guys haven't gone to
JohnWayneDuke68.com. Get 56 W's before that though.
And if you don't, then get
and you wonder why people hate you. Okay.